This tutorial will show you how to combine multiple inspection files into one file with PDspect inspection software. When conducting a due diligence inspection, many companies will have several teams go out to a property with each team inspecting certain units. Once the inspection is complete, they then combine the inspection files from each device into one file so they can create the due diligence report. Using the inspection setup tool, the first step is to create the multiple inspection files needed for the inspection, and then distribute them to the inspectors assigned to inspect the property. After the inspection is complete, the first step is to put all the inspection files on one computer that has PDspect installed, and this can be done via email, a USB drive, or whatever method is easiest for you. Once that's done, you're going to open up PDspect and start a new inspection on the computer that has the files. And you want to make sure you start the inspection with the template that you used for the inspection files you created. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Start New Inspection. Then I'm going to select the Due Diligence template. We'll click on OK. And for the file name, I'm going to call this Sudden Valley Combined. So this will be the combined file that has the units from both our Sudden Valley 1 and then our Sudden Valley 2 units. So we'll click on Save. Now that our file is created, we're now ready to import our first inspection file. And to do this, we're going to go up to Tools, Import Inspection. Here, we're going to locate the first file we want to import, which is Sudden Valley 1. So we'll click on it, and then we'll click on Open. And what you'll see here is you're going to see a list of all the different categories or the different units in that inspection file. Here for this sample, we have units 101 through 104. And we actually want to import all the categories and all the units except for general information. So what we can do is we can just click on All, and it sends them all over to the categories to import. But then I'm going to send the general information back. Once you have the categories set up the way you want to import, we'll click on OK. And just like that, as you can see, those 4 units were now imported into my new inspection. So now I'm going to click on Save, and I'm going to import the second file using the same process. So I'll go up to Tools, Import Inspection. We'll select Sudden Valley 2. Here, we'll select All. We'll send our general information back, and then finally we'll click on OK. And as you can see, we have those first 4 units we imported, and now we have all the additional units we imported from the second file. And you can import as many units as you need to. So if you have a couple different teams on site, you could import 2 or 3 or 4 or how many files ever that you need into this inspection file you create. Once you're done importing files, you'll be ready to create the due diligence report. This concludes the tutorial for combining your due diligence inspection files.